Come back. Let's look at this question on the domain and range. So looking at question number 5, okay, as our question number 2, by the way. So how do we find the domain? Okay, how do we find the domain? With a given function here, okay, we are going to set only what is under the root. All right, so we'll say 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, like that, which will give us 2x is greater than or equal to 1. Divide throughout by 2, you get x is greater than or equal to 1 over 2. Meaning, this is where our domain starts from, to avoid the negative under the root. That's where the domain starts from. So the domain starts from 1 over 2 because the number is included. There's a equal sign down there, all the way to positive infinity. That's all. That is how our domain is. Now, if we want to find the range for this particular function, all what we have to do is that, okay, all what we have to do is that, talk about the smallest number that you can get to put here so that you get the smallest answer. Are we there? So if I put half here, okay, let's do this. If I put half here, I'll get root of 0 plus 3, which just give me what? 3. Meaning the smallest number I can get from this is a 3. Meaning my range starts from 3. Okay, my range starts from 3 and above 3. This is what it means. Since the smallest number I can get is 3, meaning I can get any other numbers. If you want, try. If you want, put 1 here. This will be square root of 1, which is 1 plus 3, you get 4. So all the numbers are greater than what? 3. That's all.